Choosing a right product is not easy nowadays. So we are here to help you. We put products in our list after researching on them, after checking the quality of products, and also after different experiments. We categorized products and also their rankings. We always list quality products that are suitable for our subscribers. The best thing is we try to give high quality products in affordable price. Without wasting your time, we are going to share top 4 products available in the market. The product links are in description and in first comment. The number 4 on the list is on Amazon. You will get a number of different products, but we are putting this in our list because of many different aspects. Bundles includes Miele's R50 Giga-Newtons Performance Pack, comes with 16 genuine Miele GN Air Clean filter bags, 1 genuine Miele HEPA Air Clean filter R50 and 4 pre-motor protection filters. Lightweight, quiet and powerful thanks to Miele's amazing 1200-watt Vortex motor, air clean sealed system. Construction, perfect for any allergy or asthma sufferer, made in Germany and made to last. The Miele Brilliant has a 20-year average lifespan. Comes with Miele SEB 236 powerhead, great for deep cleaning and restoring crushed carpet nap-on. All types of carpeting. Also perfect for picking up large amounts of pet hair from carpet. Comes with Miele Extra Large Parquet Floor Brush, designed to go flat under baseboards, low under furniture, tight up against kick jams and around chair legs. With a 90-degree twisting rotation, there are not many places this floor brush can't go. Comes with the Miele SBD 285-3 Classic Combination Smooth Floor Brush is for all smooth flooring and low-pile carpeting. Easily transition from smooth floors to carpeted surfaces with a quick click of the rocker switch. The head is double-jointed for uninterrupted floor contact. The number 3 on the list is choosing a right product is not easy. We always choose products after different experiments. Bundle includes Miele's AH50 FJM Performance Pack, comes with 16 genuine Miele FJM Air Clean filter bags, 1 genuine Miele HEPA Air Clean filter R50 and 4 pre-motor protection filters. The Miele Compact C2 Electro Plus has a 20-year average lifespan, extremely lightweight and powerful. Comes with Miele's SEB 228 powerhead, electrically driven carpet tool with an extra wide brush roll. Lets you adjust height based on the pile of the carpet and is perfect for deep cleaning medium to high pile carpet. Comes with Miele SBB3 Parquet Floor Brush, perfect for bare floors, variable speed control 6 different speeds allowing perfect suction for drape, rugs, bare floors and more. Extremely maneuverable, crush-proof ergonomic hose, stainless steel telescopic wands. Comes with crevice tool, dusting brush plus upholstery tool. The number 2 on the list is many positive reviews for this product are available on different forums and communities. German engineered, bagless canister vacuum with strong suction power. Ideal for homes with hard floors and low-pile carpeting. Switch between 4 suction power settings for different surfaces. Vortex technology. Innovative cleaning performance, ensuring all coarse and fine dust is captured while cleaning. Hygiene lifetime filter. Maintenance-free hygiene lifetime filter and Gore Clean Stream fine dust filter ensure top-notch Filtration. Easy emptying. With click to open hygienic emptying. You do not have to worry about a cloud of fine dust coming back up into the air while emptying the dust bin. Included accessories. 365 Solomon Islands $3 combination floor head. Dusting brush on handle. Integrated crevice tool and upholstery tool. The number one on the list is this product comes with premium quality and affordable price. German engineered, bagged canister vacuum cleaner, ideal for homes with hard floors and low pile carpeting. Strong suction power. Switch between 6 suction power settings specific to the surface being cleaned. Maximum maneuverability. Vacuum easily around and underneath furniture. Or use the clipped-on accessories to clean upholstery or hard-to-reach places. AARCLEAN system. Miele's unique 3-tiered filtration system consists of a genuine Miele filter bag, motor protection filter and air clean exhaust filter. The room air is cleaner after vacuuming than before. Included accessories. 365 Solomon Islands $3 combination floor head. Dusting brush. Crevice tool and upholstery tool. Included accessories. 365 Solomon Islands $3 combination floor head. Dusting brush. Crevice tool and upholstery tool.